Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Steve Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And the idea here is to stimulate the mind differently than it is ordinarily stimulated during our Tàijíquán practice. And this could be because it adds a degree of challenge or a type of challenge that you're not used to. And it can also serve to give the mind more to deal with than it normally deals with. So like rub your tummy, pat your head style, like neither one is particularly difficult, but trying to do them both together can be a challenge. And this can show you elements within your form that require more mental energy than you're aware of, because that's where you're going to stumble in this exercise. So the idea is to give yourself a riddle. So read a riddle, but don't read the answer. And then work through the riddle through your practice. So that might be your form, and it might be your whole 2-hour practice session, warm-ups and everything. So I'm just working through that riddle as I go. And of course, very likely is that at some point I'm going to make a mistake I wouldn't normally make. I'm going to get lost, I'm going to use the wrong arm, I'm going to forget the stance, something like that. And that should indicate to me like, oh boy, I know my mental energy was involved in a new place. I must normally really need it here to get through this, and that can help me understand my training. Plus, it's just fun to do. Maybe you'll solve that riddle. So for me, sometimes I'll give myself a mathematical formula that I'll have to maintain. It might be a chess move where I'm seeing a whole board and trying to figure out the best move. And other times it's just a straight riddle, right? So have a little bit of fun with that. Have a nice mental challenge, and you know, the greatest riddle Tai Chi has ever met may very well have been you. Thank you. Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.